Can we delete messages on Pinterest? If you've been looking for a way to delete messages on Pinterest, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to be figuring out whether we can delete Pinterest messages quickly and easily or not. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Pinterest account, either on the Pinterest app or the website. Once you're logged into your account, simply go to the Messages tab and simply go to Inbox and tap on the chat where you want to delete the messages. Here you can simply type in messages. When you simply tap on the message, it will show you two options, that is to copy and reply. Now let's try sending a message to this person and simply deleting it again. Now I've sent hi. As you can see here, again we don't have delete option. When we try to delete an entire message, it is also not available. What you can do is simply tap on the three dots and simply tap on hide conversation. This way your conversation won't be deleted, but it won't be shown on your messages list. And that's it. That's how you can simply archive your messages or hide your messages on Pinterest.